Need a minimalist V logo? Let's make it fast. CANVOO. First, grab the square shape on the Elements menu. Reduce its width to make it a rectangular shape. Then rotate the rectangle to 25 degrees. Then duplicate the rectangle in half. Rotate the position to 25 degrees as well. And place them together so that they start to form a V. To tidy it up, take the square shape again. Place it at the bottom and change its color to white. After that, duplicate the white square and place it at the top to tidy up the top V. Now it's time to color the logo. Choose a gradient color for the logo we created. To change the gradient color as we want, please follow the tutorial. Here I use blue with color code 007BFF and purple with color code 7B1FA2. The last step, add text to the logo to add the brand you want to create. I created a vortex text with the font type Orbit to give a futuristic and technological impression. You can change the color of this logo text to blue as in the logo. If everything is okay, group all the objects together to keep everything together, and this is the result. What do you think? Very simple, right? Want to see more Canva logo design tutorials? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss out.